How you doing today, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and today we're in the last stages on the Axum build right here. And today we got probably what's the last thing is gonna go over here. We got a dropper, we got a tags metal dropper post, and we're gonna go ahead and install this. Before we do that, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you subscribe and turn the notifications bell on. That way you don't miss any future content. If you haven't been here before, welcome to the channel. If you want to support the channel, there's a link down in the description. Other than that, let's get dropping. Alright, so for this, we're gonna be using this tags metal dropper post. This is a T1. I got this from the Facebook Marketplace. I think I paid about I think I paid about $70, that with taxes and everything included, shipping and everything. So it was a great deal because I just found this on Amazon for over $210. I will leave a link down, an affiliate link for that one on the description below. And I think it's a great deal. This is an air dropper post and it's super light, and I think it's gonna work great on this bike. Now, this is the dropper post that I did on a previous video. I'll leave a link for you over here, where I almost went all Karen on the seller because I thought it wasn't working, and the only thing it was missing was air, which there's a air cap over here, like under the thing right here. And for that, it just came like this. I didn't have a lever, so I went ahead and got this lever from Amazon. I think I paid like $22. There's different colors and different diameters. About the 22mm diameter. Hopefully that's gonna be enough. I don't know if that's gonna be enough or not, but we'll try it. That thing came with the shifting cable that we're gonna use for the dropper right here. Then you can also do brake cable. I think usually seen it with brake cable, but if this works, even better, because I have brand new shifting cable housing, so we're gonna use this one instead. Now, to accompany this, we're gonna be using a brand new OK Bond saddle that I got from Amazon. I think for the lever I paid like $22 plus taxes and everything. This one I got it for like $16. And I have this same one on my other two polygons. However, the price for this one, I'll leave a link, an affiliate link down below, but they fluctuate. I got one, the first one I got was like $18, and then I saw them for like $10. So I returned it and bought two of them. And then this time I was able to get it for $16 plus taxes. Whatever works, it works. It's a super comfortable seat, guys. I highly recommend it. We gotta remove the half Nelson right here. I had already loosened this up, and we're gonna put in the lever, and I think it goes like this. I have no idea, we'll see. And then we're gonna use the cable housing that I got when I installed the shifter. We're gonna put it right here, and we're just gonna mock it, because remember, this one has a dropper entrance right down there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and insert right here until it comes all the way out right here. So from here, it's gonna go up alongside the brake hose over here, and then it's gonna come right here. So I guess it's gonna be the perfect length. Remember, we have to use the end caps over like so. But that's too close, too tight. I don't have enough cable, so I'm just gonna leave it like this right here for now, and then trim it if I need to, or get a longer one if I need to. This one is gonna come over here. So I'm gonna insert my dropper wire through the dropper side. So just drop it in, and it's gonna come out. Now this is going to have to go in here, kind of like so, and then we're gonna tighten this up over here with the bolt right there. We'll see. Let me go ahead and put the dropper first. The dropper, super easy. This thing just goes inside here, pull it down, like so, and this is where we're gonna pull the housing down. Side. All right, so now that is here. All right, so that thing is tight. Now the moment of truth is to see if this thing will actually go down. It will come down and it stays. If I press this, goes up, press, stays down, press, comes up. I might want to make it a little bit tighter so that it can return, but I think this is a success. Let me tighten this up, everything really nice and tight, and I'll come back with you. Alright, that's it. So everything's tied up. Got my zip ties everywhere. I got all my shifting dialed in. My cables cut. My levers what I wanted them. I'm not cutting the steer tube yet. We'll see later. My saddle is on. Dropper's working. No batches. Let's see the bike weight. 31.96 pounds. 14.5 kilos. That thing is looking sweet. All we gotta do now, I guess, is take it to the trail and review it. But for that, we gotta wait for a different video. So far, if you like this video, make sure you get the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on. That way you don't miss any future content or the trail review about this bike and all its components and the different things that came on it, and bike overview, whatever. Other than that, that is gonna be it for this one. Check the affiliate links below for all the parts and all the tools and all the different things that I use from Amazon. It doesn't cost you any extra. It might help me a little bit, just a few pennies on the dollar, whatever, but anything is anything. So other than that, that is gonna be it for this one. I hope that you like this build. Stay tuned. Like I said, I might have some tires coming in. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the same fork. We'll see. But for now, all I gotta do is take it to the trail. And with that being said, I'll see you on the trail. Goodbye.